Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Amjad Hussein, and today we talk about future skills, technology, and how to actually use them to be rich and earn a lot of money. Yes, a lot of money. Let's start right from a quick question. If you had the chance to learn the skills that could make you a millionaire in the next few years, would you take it? Please think on it for a while and tell me, yes or no. I think most of among you are saying yes, because right now, artificial intelligence and machine learning are creating opportunities just like that. And the crazy part, most people are ignoring it. So they are ignoring by saying, we do not have time to do that. We have other more important works, blah, blah, ... But today, I am going to show you exactly which skills can make you rich in this AI-driven modern world, starting from the basics all the way to the big money skills. First, let us break it down. Artificial intelligence means teaching computers to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Machine learning is a branch of AI where we train systems to recognize patterns, learn from data, and make predictions about the future. Interesting, here I go. It sounds complicated, but imagine this. You feed a computer thousands of photos of cats and dogs, and then it learns to tell the difference between them on its own. That is machine learning. Now here's the important part. Every business, from small shops to giant tech companies, is racing to use AI to save time, make more money, and beat their competition. And they need people with the right skills to make that happen. Let us start with the entry-level skills that already pay well. Number 1, data skills. AI and machine learning are powered by data. If you can collect, clean, and understand data, you are instantly valuable. In other words, data is everything. It is like being the person who knows how to find and refine gold in a gold rush. Number 2, basic coding. You do not need to be a genius programmer. Even learning Python, one of the easiest coding languages, can set you apart. It is like learning the basic tools before building a house. Number 3, AI tool mastery. You can make serious money just by knowing how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or AI video editors. Most companies have no idea how to use them effectively, so if you can show them results, they will pay you. Yes, your skills are yours, and people pay for that to show them your skills. Once you master the basics, you can step into higher paying territory. Skill 1, machine learning engineering. This is where you create systems that can predict, automate, and adapt. You are not just using AI anymore, you are building it. Skill 2, natural language processing. This is teaching AI to understand and respond to human language. Chatbots, voice assistants, translation apps. All of these are powered by NLP. Skill 3, computer vision. This is about helping AI understand images and videos. Think self-driving cars, medical imaging, or even AI-powered security systems. These industries pay extremely well because the technology is complex and in high demand. Here is the truth. The biggest money is not always in getting a job with these skills. It is in creating something valuable with them. Imagine building your own AI-powered app that solves a problem millions of people have, or starting a service that uses AI to automate business processes for companies. If you combine AI skills with entrepreneurship, you step into a completely different level. That is how people are going from earning a comfortable salary to creating life-changing wealth. So, will AI and machine learning change the world? What do people think? Give a second and the answer is yes, because they already are. The real question is, will you be part of the people who create, or will you watch from the sidelines? Start now. Learn data skills. Learn Python. Get comfortable with AI tools. Then, push yourself to build, not just use. Because in this AI world, the people who have the right skills are the ones who will control their future and their income. And remember, the wave is already here. You can either let it pass, or you can ride it straight to success. Think on it, ... and start it from now. So thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped or motivated you, make sure to give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more videos on technology, skills, and success. Remember, the future is already here, and you have the power to shape it. See you in the next one. Yes, everything you need to know.